Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making these delicious beans. Karibuni nyote tupike pamoja. Let's go ahead and prepare some of the ingredients that we'll be using for our cooking. We will start by chopping our onions, garlic and ginger, and then we'll move on to the next step. The ingredients that I'll be using are red kidney beans, fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, mixture of onions, garlic and ginger, as well as salt and curry powder. The first thing we'll do is to place our oil in the pot and let it cook for a few minutes before we add in our fresh ingredients. And now that our oil has heated up very well, we'll go ahead and add in our mixture of onions, garlic and ginger. To prevent our ingredients from burning, we will keep on turning it until we achieve the color that we desire. I believe our mixture is ready, and now we'll add in our tomatoes. Let them cook very well before we add in the remaining ingredients. And now that all our spices are fully cooked, we'll move on to the final step, which is to add in our boiled beans. Last but not least, we'll mix and fry all our ingredients together, and it's up to us to decide whether we'll add water or leave our beans fried. So personally, I prefer adding some water since I'll be serving the beans with rice. By adding in water, I do not mean to over exaggerate. Yani unaweka supu nyingi hadi maharagwe inapoteza utamu, hapana. Just add a little bit of water to maintain the taste. So our beans are ready, as you can see, looking great and inviting us on the table. So thank you guys for sticking with us. See you next time.